Hey guys, what is going on? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back. Sorry about the delayed start there. I won't go into detail while it's delayed starting the live stream, but I'm here now. I gotta go get a coffee. Because I need a fresh cup of Java. But I've got a sad story to tell you guys. I got a very sad story, so very, very sad story. So, I need you guys to pray. 1 like equals 1 pray, guys. 1 like equals 1 pray. Basically, guys, I'm out of cheese and crackers. This is the saddest story in the world. I'm out of cheese and crackers. I finished them off yesterday. I've got the evidence. See the cheese inside. The crackers box is empty. I'm out of cheese and crackers. Can we get a pray right now? Hashtag pray for Cray. Hashtag pray for Cray right now. It's the saddest top 10 anime deaths. Top 10 anime deaths right now. Oh god. Alright. But let's get back to this, guys. Welcome back to another device mod development stream, guys. Yesterday we were working on the gun mod, but today we're actually going to continue working on the device mod. So let's get this all sorted up here. And we're going to get some music going as well. Oh god, straight off the bat, we got a $2 donation. $2 super chat.
Cray's Cracker.
Hashtag pray for Cray's Cracker. Thank you, dude. Thank you very much. That's going straight to the cheese and cracker supply over here, dude. That's going straight to the cheese and cracker supply to get me some more cheese and crackers. So thank you very much for that. We need to get some music going here. Otherwise, we're going to have a quiet live stream. I don't want that, you know. I don't want a quiet live stream. I want a loud live stream. I want to, you know, have music going. I want to have music going. And we don't want to play the Penguin song either. Let me know if the Penguin song comes on. We don't like the Penguin song. Minecraft Doodler, what is up? I'm just going to say big welcome back to all my sponsors. We had 2 new sponsors yesterday, which is absolutely crazy, but we got Jackson Plays, Fabby50, Minecraft Doodler, Bloxy Way, Jake Crowley. Thank you guys for coming back to the live stream. I think that's everybody. Yeah, it is. Welcome back to the live stream, guys, and welcome back to everybody else as well. Just wanted to highlight my sponsors there for supporting me, supporting these live streams. You know, I started like doing these live streams like you know, ages ago now. We're up to 64 now, but doing them more consistently, and you know, kind of, you know, at the start, you know, I had no sponsors, you know, that type of stuff, and now look where we are. We've got like, I think 11 sponsors now, which is pretty insane, and it's coming up to 2018. I think it's like 2 days. 2 days left of this year. 2 days left of 2017. Next year, there's no such thing as dabbing. That word has been removed from the dictionary. It's been removed from the dictionary. If someone says dab, I'll be like, what is that? What's a dab? What is a dab? They'll be like, yeah, fidget spinners, what's that? Is that a new toy? I haven't never heard of that. Never heard of fidget spinners. Skip the specific song and I'll spare you the vegans. What's the song? Alright, we'll just skip it. What's a dab? I don't know what a dab is. I'm actually getting it erased from my memory. I don't want to know what a dab is. Work on the App Store? Maybe. We'll see. Check the dependence on the Curse Forge. I think I've seen a coffee you posted your little bubble popper thing. We might actually check it out today in this live stream, because I like to check out your guys' apps. Last time we did a live stream of the device mod, we checked out a internet browser application. It was a little bit buggy. But we might today check out this little bubble popper thing. Oh god, that bird. Hold on, let me close my window. There we go. Now you won't be able to hear that bird like super duper loud. What are Cray credits? What? Where are Cray credits? I ain't got Cray credits. I don't know what you're talking about. I want to do this thing because, like, okay, on live streams, right? Okay. I don't think it's. I'm not sure if I can do it, but one of them, right? You can. It might be Nightbot. I'm sure you guys have heard of Nightbot before. If you're familiar with live streaming, you would have heard of Nightbot before. But basically, I'm not sure how or even how it works, but basically you can, people can earn like coins or something just for watching the live stream. Coins for watching the live stream, and then those coins can be used for certain things. And I don't know, I have to look into it. I don't know how it works entirely, but it'd be cool, like, I don't know, create something more interactive with this live stream instead of just being able to chat. I need something more than just super chatting and more than that. So I need to figure out there. Yeah, like stream commands as well is like really cool stuff. So I'll look into, like, you know, doing that, because I've improved my live streams. You know, I've got this like this whole kind of you know, feed here. We've got like top donations. We've got a cheese and cracker supply jar. So I want to do more. I definitely want to do more of this, and you know, commands would be good to have on this live stream, so you guys can do extra things. I want to do like I wish I could really do it as like, you know, song requests, but I just can't. I just can't on YouTube. Otherwise, like, straight away it gets demonetized. I mean that's how it works for Twitch as well. But the thing with, like, I think the thing with YouTube, right, is that somebody can actually take your video down and strike you, whereas like Twitch, it's just the video just gets demonetized completely. So that's one thing with YouTube that I can't really do. So because like if you played like some Taylor Swift song, I mean, they probably won't block me, they'll just like take the video, but like, I don't know. I just don't want to play it. If I was on Twitch, maybe it'd be a little bit different. But yeah, Twitch has different rules. YouTube's a lot more looser on the rules, which is why I like it, because you can do anything you almost want. But yeah, I gotta get that. Where'd that song go? Oh, thought the music wasn't playing. But I gotta get myself a cup of Java real quickly, guys. Or NCS song request. That might be a good idea, but it's hard for me to actually, you know, moderate the songs at the same time. Yeah, I'm not sure how it would work. I'd have to get like a moderator to help me, but then I'd have to have a moderator all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna go quickly get a cup of... YouTube has become quite bad. You cannot even swear anymore. Yeah, I don't know. True, I guess. But still, I'm gonna go get a cup of Java, a cup of coffee. So I'll be right back, guys. Stay with me. I won't be gone. I'll be only gone for a couple of minutes here. But while I'm gone, suggest to me what we should do in this live stream today on the device mod, and then I'll read your suggestions when I get back. But I'll be back in a second, guys. See you soon. Ah, Senpai is back. Senpai is back, guys. Got my coffee in you know what cup. You guys know what cup. If you're a sponsor, you know what cup. You know what cup if you're a sponsor. Can we get a guess on what the cup is right now? You need to post that certain thing. You need to post that certain thing if you know what cup it is. Sponsor only cup. Oh god, that's hot. That is hot. That's called a cup of Java right there. It's hot. Man's not hot though. Man can never be hot, but that cup is hot. I'm not hot. That cup is hot, but man can't never be hot. Cray, I just joined. Can you welcome me? Welcome Noodle back. Welcome Noodle. I see all your regulars. I don't like. It's weird. Like after we've live streamed for so long, I know who's like not regulars and whatnot. Like I'm looking at the chat right now. There's so many people, familiar names that I see. Not just sponsors, but just normal people as well. So, welcome back, everybody. Someone's like, it is not a bad link. Someone's supposed to link. I don't think links are allowed regardless, unless you're a moderator. I don't know how it works. I just don't allow it just because people could post anything, and I just don't want that happening. Hopefully you guys understand what I mean by that. People are saying they want either a lock screen or app store. Okay. Let me just see. What was I doing? What was I doing? Alright, I was just fixing up bugs last time we were playing around. We were playing on the server last time. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, color devices. I'm just seeing. Okay. Alright, so I'll put some options down. Alright, so. Some of you guys said lock screen. People said app store. Or there's the other one is continuing on with some more decorations. So that would be like a desk and a coffee machine. A desk and a coffee machine. So let's get a straw poll going. Let's get a straw poll going because we need to get the actual proper vote. What should we do today? And decorations. Alright, create poll. And then I also have to do a bit.ly link because YouTube does not like straw poll, apparently. Alright, here we go. Vote! Alright, there we go. Get on it, boys and girls. Oh, you made a straw poll. Whoops. You have to get the official straw poll. The official straw poll right now. Oh god. It's a battle. It's a serious battle right now. Oh my god. Keep voting, guys. Keep voting right now. Oh god. App Store is winning. Oh god, it's even. No. How is it even? It's even Steven right now. It is even Steven. Cray break the tie. Has everybody voted? Has everybody voted right now? Make sure you guys go vote to let us know what you want to do today. A lot of people are saying App Store. A lot of people are saying App Store. We're 11 votes on App Store, lock screen 7 votes, decorations 7 votes. So it looks like the App Store has won. Looks like the App Store has won. Doesn't look like there's any more votes coming in. But there we go. There we go, my dudes. Decorations next. App Store is boring. Nah, it's not boring. We're gonna make it cool. Because it's gonna be all visual stuff today. Because we need to start actually creating something that looks good. I've got an idea now of how to create the App Store. Before, you know, we're having struggles. But hopefully now. You know, a little bit of a refresh. On what we should do, you know. Refresh, you know, what is it? Writer's block. Basically, you know, applies for artists as well. Writer's block. Artist block. But let's just update everybody where we are up to in the device mod now before we actually start working on this today. We'll also actually, let's go ahead. Let's include the App Store to this because we actually disabled it. Where is it? I don't think it's actually registered. It's not. Alright, hold up. We'll do it like right here. Application App Store. Alright. Let's get this loaded up. Can you please add phone and tablets? Yeah, in the future, that's something I wanted to do. Hashtag lock screen Jackson plays. Yeah, we'll do it. I reckon lock screen we'll do it next live stream. Next live stream we'll do the lock screen. When you need wouldn't you need an API others can upload to? What do you mean by that, Super Awesome Gaming? Because we've already got an API for this mod. We've already got an API for this mod. Tons of people have already developed applications for it, and there's also a Discord as well. So this is the Discord community that we got here. I haven't even looked at it yet. Look at all this stuff here. Look at all these mentions. I gotta check these later on. There's so many things I haven't caught up with. I haven't caught up with a bunch of the stuff on there yet, so I'll have to check that out later on. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Who would be my favorite YouTuber? Or who do I watch the most? I watch, so people that I watch is, I watch Typical Gamer. I watch Roman Atwood because I'm a noob. I don't know, I just like watching Roman Atwood. It's just good just to sit back and relax kind of thing. Who else do I watch? I have to bring up my subscriptions because I literally don't even know. Hold on, let me bring it up on my phone instead. I don't watch Dan TDM. Who is your favorite YouTubers, guys? Let me know in the chat, or let me know in the chat what your favorite YouTubers are. Let me know if you watch the same people. So I watch Typical Gamer. I watch Roman Atwood. I watch, hold on, let me bring this up on my phone so I can actually see, you know, who I watch, the main people that I watch. Mr. Crayfish, I've never heard of that guy. Mr. Crayfish, who is he? I've never heard of that guy before. Should I watch him? Mr. Crayfish is my fave. Should I watch him? What type of videos does he do? I don't know who Mr. Crayfish is. Never heard of him before. This thing has taken forever. Let's turn off Wi-Fi. For some reason the Wi-Fi on my phone is really bad. I don't know why. So I watch Typical Gamer. I watch more J Stu. I watch Lance Stewart sometimes. Who else? I watch PewDiePie. I think we've all actually noticed that. Respect women. The rules are simple. You laugh, you lose. Who else do I watch? Casey Neistat. Exploring with Josh, Fail Army. We got a bunch of this. Linus Tech Tips, Harry Main. They're all good channels. I love them. This is why I like YouTube so good, because it's like, who need? I mean, I got Netflix, but it's like who needs Netflix type thing, because like you can get all these videos for free online and like spend pretty much the entire day just watching videos, and you know, Don't have to pay for anything, except for internet. Oh, we still got this web browser installed. We might not open that up, but let's open up the App Store here. Oh god, have a look at this. It's so ugly. It is so ugly, my dudes. What is this? This is the worst App Store I have ever seen in my entire life. This should not be a thing. This should not be a thing. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I did half of this stuff. I really don't know what I was thinking. Just gotta have a sip of my Java there. Gotta have a sip of my Java. If you do not know who Crayfish is, you're dead. He's amazing. My favorite is also Stampy Cat. Okay. People watch Dan TDM, Roman Atwood. Someone said they watched Sir Piggles. Did someone say they watched Sir Piggles? He has a YouTube channel. He actually does before I actually created the character. So any Sir Piggles accounts you see out there are probably legit. They're not like copies of, you know, the character from my thing. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to scrap like half of this stuff. Because basically what I want the App Store to look like is very similar to the style that we've done here. With this kind of bluish grey texture. And you know, we've got the load thing. Oh, that would have been cool if we did this. That would have been cool if we actually did this and made that work. That load thing. That load thing. KSI. The last time we worked on the App Store was back in 2004. That was true. That was true. I dare you to go fart in your... What the heck? Oh god. Noodle, what the heck? Have you released the chair and the router yet? Yeah, I have Redstone Master. I released it ages ago, dude. You're not following me on Twitter, dude. You're not following me on Twitter because literally last night I just posted a new tweet and pinned it as well. I pinned it as well, showing off that, you know. Let's have a look here. Ready? Have a look. Have a look-see. Have a look-see. Have a look. What's that? Oh, hold up. What is that? Have a look at this. If you haven't heard, Mr. Crayfish's device mod 0.2.0 Pre6 is available for everyone. It now includes the beautifully colored devices, and it has the router as well. That actually works. Sorry, I am not on Twitter a lot. What the heck, Redstone Master? Nah, it's alright. It's alright. It's not alright. It's alright, dude. It's alright. It's not alright. You should all be following me on Twitter. Alright. Just had a bit of a cough there. Didn't say anything under my breath. Did not say anything under my breath. Mr. Crayfish, have you actually heard of... What the heck? Why is the music not playing? I was going to take some keys out of my pocket. I got keys. Yeah, helicopter keys, and you know, they kind of get a bit annoying in your pockets. I unfollowed you on Twitter. Hey, Bloxy, wait, what the flippity flip? Get that back on. But yeah, I posted that last night. You know, always trying to, you know, get my mod more out there, so you got to do this type of post from time to time. But you know, I used this one from the setup competition. We had the setup wars, we should say, the setup wars. I actually built this here, so I thought it'd be cool to post it on Twitter. And it looks really dope with shaders. Looks really, really dope with shaders. Alright. What else we got down here? Merry Christmas! Yeah, I posted that on Christmas. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's have a look. Has everybody retweeted so far? People have retweeted so far. People have retweeted. It's so beautiful in yellow. A server wreck. Shout out for the stream thing, Bloxy way. Try to get in there early. Trying to get in there early. Alright. So, this is kind of the App Store so far. App Market. It's called the App Market. But we got a bunch of things to fix up on it. But it's going to be all visual today. We'll see if we can create like a product page. We'll see if we can create like a product page, because that would be cool to actually get something like that done. So we're gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and because like what we could do instead, right, is this could be an app page instead. So keep this in mind. Hold up 2 seconds right now, guys. 2 seconds right now. Where am I drawing the app market? Here it is. So this could be like mine. Let's say something like note stash, right? So they do that. I'm just gonna reload the game. Note stash, right? And then you can change the banner to whatever you want, type thing. You can change the banner to whatever you want. And then we'll have like a back button up here to go back. We'll get rid of these categories. I'm gonna get rid of half of this stuff anyway, because it's all not needed. The banner, right? So let's just go ahead and bring that back up. So note stash. We could also have like here. What I'll do something real quickly. Paper. Let me see if I can find something for the lols. Whoopsie, hold up. Do it for the lols. Hold it, ready, watch, guys. Alright, ready? Take this down, load it back up. Note stash. 10 out of 10 application right now, guys. 10 out of 10 application right now. It doesn't auto update. You gotta download the new version. $9,000 out of 10. But yeah, this could be something like, this would be like a kind of an application page, right? This would be like an application page. And then we'd have to have stuff like maybe like an install button here, an install button there, or install button somewhere in here. But if you guys have any suggestions on how we should actually lay this out, do let me know, because the more input we get, the more better off it's going to be. So think of this as the base layout of like an application page. So you could like screenshot this right now, screenshot it right now, and then just like create some mock components down here on how you think it should be laid out. So I'm thinking like here, right, would have like text. So let's actually do this properly. Let's do this properly, alright? So I'm going to give this a nice screenshot. And then I'm just going to go to Photoshop real quickly, guys. You won't see this yet, but we're going to do like a little bit of planning here. A little bit of planning, so we're not like, you know, like I'm all dark because Photoshop's dark. Alright, that's a little bit better. Alright, here we go. So here is Photoshop. I'm taking my photos to the shop. Whoops. Alright, so what I was thinking is like here would be like a description of the program. A description. Then or like that could even be like a pictures of the program. That'd be cool. Pictures of the program would have like a description here. It'd be like a limited description. It'd be a limited description. Alright. A limited description. And then... Alright, hold on, let's do that properly. Oh god, this is Lance Stewart's song. Hehehehe. Hehehehe. And then here we would have like... would have like author and version. Author and version. And then, alright, so let's write these in. Whoops. So, oh god. Hold on, there's somebody calling me. Hold up, 1 second, guys. Oh, hey, Senpai is back again. Sorry about that. I'm going through a lot of adult stuff right now. And I get a lot of calls at this time, or like recently, because you know, a lot of adult stuff that I'm not gonna talk about right yet, but you guys are gonna know in the future. It's gonna be cool. Alright, so where were we? We're gonna do pictures. Pictures here. Let's get Ariel. Hehehe. Ariel. Let's fix up a bunch of this stuff. 0. Let's go ahead. This would be like script desk, short for description, if you didn't know. Sure, adult stuff. It is adult stuff. Government adult stuff. I'm being interrogated by the FBI. They know, they're on to me. They're on to me. I searched up how to download Minecraft for free. They're on to me. The editing your last video wasn't so good, just being honest. Yeah, I realized that after I saw a bunch of comments. Like, quick tip for any YouTubers out there, don't edit at 12 AM, midnight. It's not really a good idea. Because that's when I was editing, like, I can't do anything about it now. I can't do anything about it now. It's just so awkward. It's so awkward. I don't want to watch it either. I haven't watched it because I'm just like, oh god. I'm just gonna be like, cringe and be like, oh, what did I do, Cray? What did I do? They found out you have a cracked Adobe CS6. It ain't cracked! It is legit. I got Creative Cloud and everything. I got Creative Cloud and everything. You don't just get that. You don't get that. I actually do pay. I think I pay like $500 a year for it. I got the whole suite, my dude. I got everything actually. Lightroom, Premiere, After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator. All the big ones. Just pull on your leg. What the? I know what you meant by that. I just wanted to do it literally. App. Auth. Alright, so we can have something like that. Then we'll have like, maybe like download. An install button there. Rich boys on Snapchat. I ain't rich. Let's have a look. What about app icon? Where does that go? Oh yeah, okay. So we could put the app icon here next to it. So like there type thing. So we could like just I mean just for now. App icon. We got a $2 super chat. Look in the Discord. Look in Discord in the stream chat. What do we got in here? Was that Cray? Pray for Cray. This is for you, Cray. Oh my god. That is creepy. That is creepy. What is that anyway? It's like a...
Look in
looks
Discord
like
in
depth.
the stream chat.
It looks pretty cool. It's like utilizing depth. Made you look. Oh god. Great Abori, he got me. He got me. A ton of you guys just popped into there. Oh god. Memes. Memes for days. I don't need to bother looking at that. Alright. Oh god. Alright, so let's get on with this, my dudes. Let's get on with this right now. So, we need to go back to here. I'm gonna sip my coffee. You don't like that messy paper? It was just for fun. I was just doing it just to show you as an example of having a different header. Having a different header file. I'm gonna do something cool for it. Don't you worry. Alright, so application app store. So what we're gonna do, layout, they're not final, are they? Okay, they're not. Cool. We're gonna go ahead, because this is going to get even more advanced type thing. This is going to get even more advanced. So we're not going to be doing actual global variables. We're going to be just doing this, right? So programs, system, Hold up, we gotta fix up something. We need to switch over to applications. Alright, hold up, don't worry. I'm gonna go ahead, discard, applications, update from master. Ka-ching. Alright, should be pretty much the same. Alright, there we go. Hopefully it's the same. Hopefully it's the same. I give up, nobody wants to talk to me. I'm here. I'm here. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to everybody. I want to talk to everybody. He took 1 month on 1/2 of a model. That's pretty lazy if you ask me. I'd go find somebody else. Tell me you are paying full attention so I may convey this. What? You are only saying that for subscribers? What? I try to read everybody's messages. I try to read them all, but sometimes there's too many of them and I can't spend... we can't have a chat stream. We actually have to have a development stream. And then say hi to me. Hey, what's up, Zoe? See, I do see people. I do see people. You think I don't see your messages? I do see them. Alright, let's get rid of this. Alright, so... I'm going to create a new package. Layout. Layout app. Layout app page. Maybe this will be better if we don't do this. Layout app page. Alright, hold on. Oh no, this is fine actually. Extends layout. This is a thing. Okay, extending layout, right? Init. I think it's initialize. Where does this get called? Soon initialize. Initialize listener. Unload, handle, unload. Okay. This is the problem with this, is we don't have like a initialize layout. This doesn't get called. Where does this get called? Layout initialize this. Nah, that would be bad. Oh no, it wouldn't. Like, this doesn't make sense in the layout. Like, we can do it here for anything that we need. Hey Cray, remember when you had that setup contest on your server? Can I destroy that? No. No. And if you guys, you guys haven't seen the server in a while. We actually did so many things since that live stream. We did so many things since it. Sponsors rule the chat. Oh god. They kind of do at the moment. I mean, like, probably like 70.
Sponsors rule, hashtag sponsors rule.
Cheers there for the super chat, Redstone Master. But probably like 75% of the comments are like sponsors. But I mean, it's a good thing in a way. It's It's a good thing in a way. How much are you streaming for, Cray? 2 hours, as always. 2 hours, as always, guys. And if it goes overtime, it's overtime live stream. Show mine on Bloxy's jet. Yeah, I'll probably do it at the end of the live stream, something like that. I did actually have a look at it already. So, yeah. Alright. So let's go ahead, layout, app page. Spam those $800 super chats. Oh god. Hater Nation. Alright. So I'm gonna have like basically copy this, what we've got already. The thing is, like, we don't even like it's almost better here. Oh, I don't know. Layout. Okay. I just dislike the initializing here. Where does this get called? So we need like a... Like, it'd be better if these were like handled somewhere else. If these weren't like in here, because like I just dislike if you want to extend layout and if you want to create like, because sometimes it's good, maybe you might want to create a layout, right? And then put all your code into that, because things such as, you know, for example, file browser, or not file browser, but even though I create its own component, but like, look how long this component is. I mean, I can't really do anything about that. Like, I always create as many classes as I can, but like, sometimes classes are just long. Sometimes classes are just long. It really just depends on the, you know, the circumstances, the situation, the scenario, the use case. What are you doing today? Please tell me. We are working on the App Store. So here's a little mock-up design of what we're doing here for like an app landing page. So where's layout? There's initialize application. Okay, so this could be like a... We're gonna create another one called public void. Layout, okay. Protected. Alright. And we're gonna get rid of, where's this called again? It's called here. Super chat. Oh, the head stated.
Can I be sponsor rank on the server?
Can I be sponsor rank on the server, Redstone Master? Oh yeah, you should be already. I don't know why. It's cause like we don't have any sort of automated system to set ranks. But yeah, once we get around to the server at the end of the live stream, Redstone Master, I'll get you on that sponsor rank, so you can have it. I have to go, but I just wanted to let you know that you are awesome and entertaining, and you are so funny, and you make me laugh, and you are so entertaining. I said that twice. I love you, Cray. Thanks, Noodle. See you later. Thanks for coming along. Sponsors rule the chat. It sucks because like there's no slow mode on sponsors and I can't do anything about that. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. Will we get to see a bubble burst? Yeah, we'll definitely check it out, Coffee. We'll definitely check it out. Make sure you remind me, because we're gonna go on that. We're gonna pop on the server and we're gonna check out your application, probably in the last half an hour of the live stream. The last half an hour of the live stream, we'll check it out. So current layout dot handle unload. Is there like a get? So have that initialize. Layout dot. What can we call this? I'm just trying to figure out what to call this. Hey, remember? Cheese, 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 cheese. I'm gonna allow that comment. Hashtag Cray is the best mod developer ever. Cray is not the best mod developer ever. Greater, what the? He is the greatest. Cheese is God. Cheese is good. The Discord, what? Oh yeah, we'll get you on. Who's that? Who's Harrick? Who is this? I never seen them before. Who's Harrick YouTube? Who is Harrick YouTube? I never seen them before. Never seen them before. Alright, public void, I don't know. Initialize. Handle unload. We could like pop this right to here. Pop that there. Then that gets rid of all that. Ah. Yeah. There we go. And then I have to redo that to do let's do it on like something. Change. Fix docs. Alright, there we go. So now you can actually have like initialization method with no super, which is what I wanted. Just what I wanted, because the super, calling the super initialize is kind of annoying. Hashtag I am bound by the developer's oath to honor Calivia. Oh god, I'm just gonna. Someone's gonna be like, Cray, you can't even pronounce that. Don't you agree that Calivia is better than you in terms of modding? I don't know who he is. Who is it? Oh, it's actually like a... Yeah, it is actual thing. Oh, ICBM. It depends. I don't know. Depends how you see it. Like, you know, it's probably a better programmer than me. I'm not mad about that. I enjoy what I do. I make fun mods. People enjoy my mods, so that's all that matters. I don't know. Depends how you see what's the best. Because maybe you're looking at it's the best in terms of programming. Depends how you see it, you know. Far as I can see. We don't need a layout. Public. Super. He also make universal electricity, which he should implement into the device mod. That's kind of like, okay, one thing like, I want to do it, but I never like, okay, universal electricity, what's a reasonable amount of power to, you know, pull, you know? Should I just make something pull so much power by accident? Like, I never know what, like, because I've never played with tech mods. I know a lot of people do, but I've never known, like, you know, what's a reasonable amount of power to pull, because I could accidentally program it to pull a lot. Like, I don't know what a reasonable amount is. But if you got an example, of it being used, because I know there is like there's something in Forge built in already. Whoops. Please forgive. What? Alright, let's get rid of this. App info. I'm gonna say this private. Because now we can do stuff like info dot get name, stuff like that. Then we'll also have like app info get banner. Get banner. I'll be on the server in about 30 minutes. Cray isn't our senpai. I am our senpai. Oh, Cray Pie. Senpai is back. But yeah, we're going to be playing on the server for like a couple of minutes, 15 minutes. And then we're also going to be checking out an app location as well. Someone actually created a game. Someone actually created a game using the device, API, which is pretty cool. Check. Oh, I'll show you guys real quickly. If I go here, then I go dependents. Have a look. There it is. I think someone accidentally did this one because, like, I don't think this mod pack has the actual mod in it. It has my furniture mod, but I don't think it has. It might have it in it. I don't know. We'd have to look. Modding experience 1.6. Oh, here we go. Oh no, it's not. Oh no, maybe it is. Device. Oh, it is. So maybe it is in it. He wouldn't have accidentally added that because he added my furniture mod. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's a big mod pack right there. Holy shoot. That's gonna be sick. I gotta try that one out. That's a very, very big mod pack. The modded experience. I'm gonna bookmark that. I'm gonna try it later on. I've never played with the mod pack before. Oh, I have, but not in a very long time. But yeah, here it is, Bubble Burst. Very simple application somebody made. But we're gonna check it out and see how good it goes. But you guys can actually download that if you want to and add it to your mod. Because this is basically how it will work. But yeah, I will be having like a list of, you know, I'll be having like a list of applications so you guys can find them very easily. You need to check out Jack's Ping Pong app. It has multiplayer. Oh, Jake's Ping Pong app. Yeah, I actually have seen it, but I haven't tested it out. I don't think he's got it for download yet. I don't know if that's me. Cray, what happened to the boat game on the device mod? I'm just not developing it at the moment. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue it or not because it's a lot of work, but I'll see. I'll see. Maybe in the future. Because like the thing is, like, I don't want to work on any applications because there's still like a ton of work that needs to be done on the API and just all that stuff. Actually get like something that developers can use instead of me developing applications and then delaying all those cool features for developers. So here we go, we can set that. So let's go back to here now. App Store banner. Get out of here. Get out of here. No one likes you. Alright, so let's have a look here. Where's that? I drew like the background. Where did I draw that? Layout main. Where did I draw the background? Was it here? No, it's not. Where did I draw that background? Create color picker, menu. Ah, there it is. I found it. Render. Alright, give me that. Give me that. So private layout. I'll just say layout home. Layout main. I have to copy that thing again. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. We don't even need that anymore. So cool. Go to Discord memes. You won't regret it. You sure? You sure about that? I swear every Australian has a pet bird. Oh god, Sean. Sean, how many thoughts have you found? How many thoughts have you found? I remember the Thought Patrol. Ah, spotted one. Add Sir Piggles as an entity to the mod. He's already a pig. He's already a pig. Don't go to memes. If there's anything bad in it, someone delete it right now. I better not be in it already. Hold on, let's have a look. Oh god. Oh god. Damn it. How dare you do that to me? How dare you do that to me right there? That should be illegal. Should be illegal. Okay, so we've done that. Image banner. Alright. Get rid of that. I'm not going to do anything fancy yet, because I want to work on the actual landing page of applications, so I'm just going to have like button 5. Hello. Why did it import the wrong button? This might be the first stream where I watch the entire thing. It better be. It better be. Hey, what's upgraded? Oh god. No! Me and Bloxy here had to save Sir Piggles and young Greg. They are in our jet, by the way. My friend who lives in Australia I talked to on Discord has some birds. I think it's like, it's just normal. Is that a normal thing where you guys live? Or is like, I don't know. I've always grown up with birds, so maybe it's just an Australian thing. Stream of new Mr. Crayfish dev.crappydevvids.map. Nothing found. Nothing found. Mr. Crayfish crap videos. This folder is empty. This folder is empty. Mr. Crayfish stop. Mr. Crayfish dot. Videos with editing mistakes. This folder is too large to view. There are too many items in this folder to view properly. Oh god. All my videos with editing mistakes. This folder is too large to view all items. Collectors to garbage collection. Layout main. Button. And here I was going to say button. Lambda. Let's go. Don't recommend you ever do that. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Me and Blocks, yeah, I already read that one. Do you use OBS? Yes, I do. Is free. Who doesn't use OBS? Is free. Can we? If you guys are new around here and you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, subscribe right now. Subscribe right now because I want to fill up that cheese and cracker supply jar. So for when somebody actually does bomb it, when somebody does bomb it in the future, I want it to explode. I want it to explode. Like, go crazy. So, if you're new around here, subscribe right now. I appreciate it. And if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, snap it right in half. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a cheese hype. I don't think we've done a cheese hype yet in this live stream today. So if you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, you simply go ahead, type in hashtag cheese hype. I need every one of you guys to contribute right now. So if you're watching this live stream right now, help me out right here. So type in hashtag cheese hype and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. Pretty simple if you ask me. So anyway, right now, hashtag cheese hype, cheese emojis. Let's go ahead. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype. Boom. Let's go contribute to this cheese hype a little bit here. Contribute to the cheese hype a little bit. Cheese hype. Yeet. Oh, yeet. Yeet. So much cheese hype right now. So much cheese hype right now. The cheese hype is real. Seriously, can we get a cheese hype for my cheese and crackers that I no longer have? Saddest story. Top 10 anime deaths right now, guys. I have no cheese and crackers in real life. You know, this is like murder right now. This is like murder right now. You know, it's a serious issue. It's a serious issue right now. No cheese and crackers in the house. Make Cray go. No cheese and no crackers make Cray go crazy. That's my quote now. No beer, no TV, make Homer go something, something. No cheese and crackers, make Cray go something, something. Crazy? Don't mind if I do. Rip cheese and crackers. Rip. Rip, guys. Can we get a rip? Someone said, I fixed it. Stream of mrcravish.static instance. Litvids.map. Media stream, get bird media stream, collectors to YouTube. Too many videos to list. Out of memory error on that one. Developers copy. Out of memory. Too many videos with the bird sounds. Ow. Just hit my ankle. You're dead to me. Alright, we need to go ahead and register the App Store again. You're dead to me. Nobody uses paper nowadays. We use something called the internet. You should try it. It's super cool. What's the internet? What's the interwebs? I'm gonna go on the interwebs tonight to send an email. Oh god. Alright, so app page. Render util.draw. We'll fix this up later. Pretty sure this works. Yeah, it should work. Hopefully it does. I think I know why this doesn't work. Alright, go on. Oh no, it should work. Yet dead, because I stitch them all together. I stitch them together. Alright, here we go, guys. Loading up the game right now. Is that the Afshay Commons GUI? What? My friends hate Cray because of the dab mod. Get rid of it. It was for the trolls. It was for the cringe. Like, I know when I was developing it, you know, this is like, I wasn't like, oh, this is gonna be the best mod ever. I know what the end result was gonna be. It was for the lols. It ended in util, therefore it is Apache. No, it ain't. It my render util. It's my render util. It's everything to do with, you know, my rendering. So I got a bunch of, like, it's kind of just helper methods that I haven't documented at all. Documentation sucks. Nah, it's good. It's just I hate writing documentation. Every programmer would agree with me. Documentation is the worst thing to write, because you just spend the amount of same. You spend more time writing documentation. But no layout managers yet, you sinner. Alright, where is this? Where's my app store? There it is. Ah, not bad, not bad, not bad. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Bum, 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 bum. Where's my application icon? Ah, it's being rendered over. I haven't slept in 24 hours. I've been up all night documenting one of my resource library updates. I feel you, man. I know, documentation, literally, it takes longer than writing the actual code. But yeah, I gotta do it, you know. I'm only like, with this, I'm only really mainly documenting the API. Because that's the one that's most people are going to be using. Like, if I was to document every single thing in this mod, it would take years. It would take literally a month to document everything. But no, I'm documenting pretty much everything in the API package. Pretty much everything in the API package. Yeah, it's because of this. There it is. I found it. Why is it dark? Why is it dark? Probably to do with... it's because of here. Should have like a GL state manager, like color. Aha! Is it possible to do like a new image? Here we go, let's have a look. Wait, image, what does that take in? Alright. Alrighty. Yeah, I follow regular instead of a sponsor. Hello, I like money. Make it bigger, Mr. Crayfish Dev. I'll see. I can't scale it right now. Draw application icon. 24 divided by 83. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw on the icon. The problem is the background gets rendered after it, so it overrides the icon. So we can use like an image component, image icon. Equals new image, and then what one do we have to use here? Can't use any of them. We can't use any of them. How are we gonna do this? Because it's the image banner. I think there's a render overlay. Haha. Hehehe. Yoink. This doesn't provide XY. Let's make sure we're not overriding anything. Oh yeah, hold up. We'll do super dot render overlay. I really need to get rid of that laptop instance. So I should be... I have to reload the game. 2 seconds. What, you can use links to render images? What? Yeah, I've added it a while ago, dude. But it's cool, because then you can actually, like... I created, like, an application, right? That generates a random imager link. Not safe for work, that's why I didn't show it off, but like basically I think it was that, or it was another thing, but basically you'd be like random image and it would bring up a random screenshot, and it was I mean half the stuff you probably wouldn't want to see, but then half the stuff's like conversations and all that type of stuff. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny if you ask me. Oh, what's the time? What time do we start? We start at 10:45. Okay, it's half an hour left of the live stream. What the flip? What the flip? Yeah, it works. Okay, cool. Half an hour left of the live stream. Alright, hold up. Bring this up. Bring this up like that. Also, a reason why it looks small is because NoteStash doesn't, it doesn't utilize the full icon. So, let's say we'll try something else here, ready? Let's try Pixel Painter. Confidence is key. Confidence is key. I can't really see it, but that's just how it works. What uses a big icon? Let's go bank. I think it's just bank. Let's make sure we do this right. Yeah, bank. Bank. Let's show money. Let's get some money picture real quickly. Money. Oh god, that's a bit too big. Dollar bills, baby. Let's get something a bit smaller. Here we go. Money banner. Alright, here we go. This is better. This will be funny. This will be funny. Dollar bills, yo. Bank. I'm making bank. I'm making bank, yo. Which live stream did Crayfish talk about Patreon in? I talked about it in last live stream. I'm basically redoing it all. Redoing it all for the future because things are going to be changing around here. Things are going to be changing, well, not changing, but being improved around here. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of improvements real soon. A lot of improvements really soon because big things are happening in my life. Big things are happening in my life, and it's that big news that I'm talking to you guys about. It's adult stuff. It's adult stuff, so get excited for what the future is actually going to hold because things are going to be cool. Make one for my browser. What? Dollar bills, greens. He's engaged. I'm engaged in coding. I'm not engaged in real life. I don't have a girlfriend, so it's a little bit difficult. What grade you in? What? I'm not in any grade. Oh, you guys having a chat in the convo. Alright, you guys having a chat in there, chatting without me. That's fine. I don't know, I'll just stop the live stream if you guys don't want to talk to me. Not really, but hopefully you guys can get an idea of, you know, how this actually all works and everything like that. So we could as well. Let's do one last thing before we continue on here with the server and that type of stuff. I think it's just text. This is a good song. It's like info.get description. left. Width, I don't know, 100. Whatever. Right there. I can't compose a song while making pancakes. Okay, I'll chat with you. What grade you in? I'm not in any grade. I would be in like grade 15, grade 16 now. Because I've already finished school. I've already finished school. Oh. Alright, you'll see a black screen for a second here, guys. Don't worry too much. Sorry, Cray, don't stop. Blue Barracuda, love ya. The golden boat, I want to talk to you. Alright, the golden boat, ask me anything. Ask me anything. He's got an associate's degree. I don't have an associate's degree. I do go to, I go to university. I actually took a break off. I took a break from university. Because, you know, I wanted to focus on more important things in my life. But yeah, I'll be having a lot more structured stream schedule as well very soon. A lot more structured stream schedule. What's the worst thing you've ever done? The worst thing ever done. Oh god. I don't know. I don't think I've ever done anything really that bad. Like to me, because like I've never done anything bad. Like small things are considered pretty bad for me. I don't know. Maybe I've broken something. I don't know. Like the thing is, like if I did something really bad, I'd be able to recall it like instantly. But like I feel like I've never done anything like crazy bad. You ate all the cheese? Ah, that'd probably be true. That'd be true. I ate all the cheese. Is there even a bank description? Don't think there is. Nah, we don't have a description for the banks. That's why I didn't show. Get description. Ah, oh no, that's right. Why am I calling format? It should be... Oh no, it is that one. Format message, translate, format. Pretty sure it's like a translate to local. Yeah, where's this come from? It's a different... Oh no, it's the deprecated. Is deprecated. Oh, you guys can't see this. Deprecated, not depreciated. Alright. So... let's just move this real quickly. Alright, not far enough. I think we're gonna do like 150. Oh, that should be 250. Alright, so take that down now. Say 100. Oh, too far. 70. That looks good. So that would be like the description there. Let's test it out too, to make sure that it actually works. So what is it? app.cdm.bank.desk. The official bank application for the device mod allows you to transfer allows you to convert emeralds into digital currency. We need some Bitcoin on here. We need some Bitcoin. Can someone create a Bitcoin miner app, please? That'd be great, thanks. Bitcoin miner app. We should have oh, that would be so cool. We should have like a emerald coin miner app. Just like within the Minecraft, not like a real world crypto coin. We should have like an emerald coin miner. That'd be cool. Crayfish, there's griefers on the server, please help. Is it serious? Is that serious? If it's not, I'm going back out. It's serious. Who is it? Who is it? Bloxyway, who is it? Bloxyway, who is it? It's not Redstone Master. We need proof. Send screenshots. Send screenshots quickly on Discord if it's true. Screenshots in sponsors or whatever. Screenshot right now. Screenshots right now, otherwise it doesn't count. Screenshots right now, please. I need screenshots. Where? Where? Oh my god. Oh, wait. Can we keep the, hold on, let me close off the other Minecraft. I got two Minecrafts open right now, guys. No swearing on the server, please. Where? Who is that? I don't know who that is. Oh my god. Oh, I see. Maybe. Yeah, someone did blow this up. Who did it? TP to me. TP. What? Oh. Who did it? Alright, hold up. I've already said no swearing. Alright. Alright, we'll check chat log later on. I literally cannot do it right now, but... Cha-ching. Sorry, dude. We're gonna have to temporarily block everybody. I don't know how to... I've never moderated servers and I hate moderating servers. Chill. Techie. Chill. Or... if you're swearing on this server, you're getting angry at people. But yeah, who did the actual thing? This is crazy. How do I join your game? This is actually a closed server only, so if you want to actually join it, you got to be a sponsor. So you can sponsor the stream or you become a Discord regular, but that's, again, you have to be an active device API developer. You have to be contributing to the Discord community, and it's not something you get instantly, it's something you get over time. So it's a little bit random. Techie was starting to burn down the village and blew up my jet. Just okay. I wanna point this out. This is not directed at anyone, right? This is not directed at anyone. But if you sponsor or become a regular at anything, we have, or I myself and the staff of this server have the right to ban you regardless. It doesn't matter because you got regular or you sponsored doesn't give you special permissions. It literally just gives you entry onto the server. You still got to behave correctly. No special privileges. You can't be like, oh, I paid to get on here. If you paid to get on here, you should be acting responsible type thing. So this is not directed at anybody, but for people that are on the server right now, do note that, and you're probably listening to me right now. Donating does not give you special privileges. It literally just gives you entry onto the server. And we have the right to ban you for whatever reason. We could just ban you just because. So, we are going to get some proper rules set up. I haven't done that, but anybody breaking rules from now on, or anybody, misbehaving, get angry, threatening to blow up things is going to be banned instantly. Look at his jet, please. So, spamming in chat, threatening to blow up things will result in a ban. Someone said look at the jet. Oh, just look at it. Yeah, I've seen it. It's cool, I like it. Hehehehe. Like, yeah. It's cool. It's got like a little inside to this. A little back area, a little kitchen. A toilet. Little rooms here with laptops in it. It's really cool. Another room here. This ain't connected up yet. Why aren't these routers connected up? This router ain't connected up to anything. I'll help you out here. I help you out. I help you out with connecting these routers up. Hopefully it's far enough. Well, it's not too far. Please reach. Yes! Oh, it registered. It just registered. It's too far away. We got a shower here. Techie. You should not be getting angry on this server. I'll tell you right now, you should not be getting angry on this server. This is a device API test server. Literally tomorrow we could reset this server. We could literally reset the server because it's a test server. I mean, we're not going to, but we could. So, nobody should be angry. This is all about just having fun playing with a device mod, and people are just getting angry. Do it, Cray. I have prefy grief. Do it, Cray. What? Alright. Ban techie. You said so. He said it. He said do it. He told me to do it. I told you guys. Donating or anything doesn't give you special privileges on this server. It literally gives you entry to the server. There are parachutes next to the cockpit. But, you know, pretty easy. It's just, I'm just saying it right now. If you're like, it should just be like automatic. I'm kind of ranting right now, but it should just be automatic. Like, okay, you've just sponsored my channel because you want to support me, and now you've basically got access to the server. You know, you're spending money, right? You should be pretty responsible with that. You should be pretty responsible with that. Don't sponsor anything if you're gonna hop on this server and just get banned instantly. You know, I just don't understand. Like, maybe because I'm a bit more mature, but like, if I was spending money, I'm not just gonna spend it and then get myself banned type thing. What do you say? Screw Cray, screw everyone, I am cancelling sponsor. Okay, there you go. Pretty straight up why, you know, I'm banning you there. Pretty obvious you don't want to say that on a server. Alright, so I don't think we're going to play on the server right now. I am, though. Hold up. Alright, so I'm just going to disconnect from that. Alright. I don't know why I'm not getting notifications for these anymore on YouTube. It's YouTube's problem. I don't know what's up, Alex. It's YouTube's problem. Alright, so we're going to check out this one more time with the actual description. Oh, you guys can't see this. Whoops. I'm going to check out the description of this thing now. So let's just run the game. Cray, I'm late. Dynamite Doritos, what the heck? Where have you been, dude? Took you a while to get here. Developers coffee, listen up. The stream is nearing the end, so I must expose myself. I am eating 5-pound gummy bear while watching this. It is better than popcorn. Developers coffee here. He's a food eater. He's a real one. He's a real one right now. If you aren't eating a 5-pound gummy bear, why are you guys watching my live stream? You gotta be eating one. You gotta be eating one. That's normal. I am late. What are you working on? Hey, what up, SP Joes? Welcome back. I am working on the App Store, and we got some good progress done so far, I would say. Let's go to this view. So, hold up. Make that 95. So we're kind of working on an app landing page. So this is what you would see if you were checking out an application. So this is like the bank application. I mean, this won't be like this, but like this is what it would look like, for example. So here, I got Greens, I got Benjamin Franklin's. I love Mr. Gravish, he is awesome. Lemon Squeezy, hey Cray, I made a what? I don't even know how to say that. Kamehameha item in MC. What is that? What is that, Lemon Squeezy? There's so much lag on your live stream. Wolfie, it's most likely you. It's most likely you change your quality, because I've dropped no frames at all. I've dropped no frames at all. Or it might be me. We'll see. Is any of you guys experiencing lag? Any of you guys experiencing lag? Why were you the default skin, Alex, early in the stream? Was I? Maybe because I wasn't in an authentic. I wasn't in like a real session mode. I was in a fake session mode, which doesn't have a skin. Lag. I got lag, not laggy lag. There is no lag in the stream. Are you going to launch pre-7 of the mod after this live stream on Discord? Not yet. I don't even know what's in. I don't even know what's in pre-7 yet. What is in pre-7? Someone let me know what's in pre-7. My own mod. Someone let me know what's in pre-7. Alright, let's try this out. Let's try this out. So, gotta run mods. This should work. I know this song. I'm in a hurry, I have to go. See you later, Noodle. Did you pull my PR? Maybe I don't think I've even seen it. Okay. Laptop can now be open normally while players writing another entity. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what you did. Okay, yeah, I'll get it pulled. Get near a seat. Alright, whatever. I have 25-second delay, but there's no lag. Okay. Why is your Minecraft face yellow? It ain't yellow. Alright, so let's check this out. This is somebody's application. Somebody's application. So it's like a game. It's like a game called Bubble Burst. Instructions. Game info. The goal of this game is to burst the hydrogen bubbles and get the highest score you can. Click and drag. Click and drag / hold to move the fire stick. Press escape to go back to main menu. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh god, this is hard. I like the animated textures. Oh god. You can like do it anyhow. Oh, this is so weird. It's like Flappy Bird all over again. Is there like a time limit, or what is there like a time limit on this? Or do you just keep going? This is so weird. It's so simple, but like this is what I like to see, like just simple stuff. It's like someone made a game. Even the stick's animated. I don't know what it is. Oh gosh. Oh my god, it's so hard when they come at the same time. It's like Guitar Hero. Is there a time limit? What happens? When does it end? When does it end? When does it end? This is a sad story. Top 10 anime deaths right now. Top 10 anime deaths. But you guys can actually download this now. It's up on CurseForge. I'll put a link in the description maybe for it, so you guys can try it out for yourself. It should work on pre-6. Should work on pre-6. Is there an end to it? Who created this again? Who created this again? Is there an end? Dude, I'm getting pro at this. I'm getting pro. I'm gonna go pro. Esports right now. I like leaving it to the last minute. I am not treated as well as I used to. We did nothing. I've done nothing. Yeah, alright. Oh, okay, the score went green now. When does it end? When does it end? I don't know when this ends. There's no ending to the game. There should be a time limit. There should be a time limit. Just 24-hour bubble burst live stream. Who wants that? 24-hour bubble burst live stream. Is there an end to it? Oh, let's have a look. Is there any, like... There's no end yet. Oh, okay. It's just a constant grind. There should be like a little timer, I reckon. Like, how many can you get in a minute? Type thing. Like 1 minute. Because then you can actually have like high... Okay, think about this coffee. 1 minute, right? 1 minute, right, to get the most of them. And then you can save that. You can save the high score onto like a database in the server, and then people can play, like, get the highest score in the server. Would be cool. That'd be pretty simple to do, actually. But hopefully nobody will just cheats it. I'm not good with MBT, so I don't know how to save data. Ah, okay. I can help you out, maybe. I'll show you how you can do some things. I might even submit a PR. And like just get it added. But I mean, you've done all this, so if you can do this, you should be able to learn NBT quite easily. But until I add databases properly, I think I'd wait. There is other ways to do it. I'm getting high scores right now. I'm getting mad high scores on this. We need to get over 9,000. Yeah, I found your GitHub code. I found your GitHub source. Before you even stood up, I'm 100 years ahead of you. I'm 100 years ahead of you, dude. Cray's always 100 years ahead. 100 steps ahead. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun, if you ask me. I don't think I got the high score. Don't think I got a high score on it. Your points are going up as fast as your subscribers are going down. What? And then here we would have like screenshots of the application. Screenshots of the application. But we are actually hashtag overtime livestream right now, guys. I don't want to do any, well, I didn't want to go too much overtime livestream because I got some other stuff to do today. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed this live stream today. We've done a bunch of stuff. Started work on the App Store, which is good, so we might actually continue. I know I said I wanted to work on the lock screen, but I want to get this, like, get something more of this done. Get more of this done before we continue on. Might even make this smaller, like bring this up a little bit more. But, you know, it's looking pretty good so far. It is looking pretty good so far. Play on the server a bit. I don't think I'm going to do it on the server a little bit. Just want to kind of work on some other stuff for now. I might go on later on. If you guys ever want to go on the server, I usually let you know when I'm going on through Discord. So I'll post in like the sponsor only and the regular only chat when I actually go on. Don't forget to whitelist me in the meantime. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. Can you send your username again through Discord and then I'll get you on. But yeah, that's going to end off this it's going to end off this stream for today. Let's go ahead, let's do shout outs over on Twitter. Techie, if you want to, like, okay, Techie, alright? I'll give you a promise. If you behave yourself for the next 24 hours, if you behave yourself for the next 24 hours, I'll unban you in 24 hours, but if we, any time after that, you do anything wrong, you get angry at anybody, you say screw Cray, or anything like that, it'll be a permanent ban. It'll be a permanent ban. Threatening anyone to blow up their creations or anything will be a permanent ban. So if you do that again, you gotta follow the rules, our orders, if you're gonna be on the server. Alright, so shout outs. Let's go ahead, let's check the retweets here. Some people quoted it. Shout out to Lil Nutcracker. Okay, what the heck? Developers Coffee, Tron XT. Let's go to the actual retweets here. Brandon, Mr. Breach, Techie Data YouTube, Reese Glowbox, Scatterstrike Studios, Blue Barracuda, King Yoshi, Haunted Corpse, Thymore, 20 lines of code, and I'm pretty sure that is it. So thank you guys for supporting me there over on Twitter. Appreciate all of you that help out, support this live stream. Thank you to my sponsors as well. You know who you are. Post that derpy crayfish right now. Post that derpy crayfish right now. Thank you for supporting the live stream and keeping it real. We're going to be having a new emoji soon because we actually have enough to get 3 emojis now, which is really cool. So I'll be getting them ready for next live stream tomorrow, so you guys can start using them. Derpy crayfish. It looks so good. But yeah, I will be checking chat logs as well, just to make sure, you know, what the whole situation was, because I didn't actually see a lot of it. I'll check a lot of it. Can I become a regular? I've been working on Bullburst for 1.15 months now. Oh yeah, we'll have I'll add you as regular coffee. I think you deserve it for that. I think you deserve it for that. I think you're like one of the first people to actually properly release an application on like an actual service. Like, people have got GitHubs and that type of stuff, but nobody has actually released it yet on like CurseForge or something. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Remember to go ahead, snap that like button if you enjoyed this live stream today, and I will see you guys later on for some more live streams. As we all know, they're the best live streams in the world. But that's it. I'll see